Now that we've got our potatoes and our bread into our bowl here, I'm adding in a little bit of paprika and freshly cracked black pepper. Ooh, this is smelling so good already. I'm gonna do some garlic powder, generous amount, yum, and a little bit of fine sea salt. Perfect. I'm gonna throw in about 4 tablespoons of flour, just eyeballing that. Now I've got my gloves on. I'm gonna start mixing this all together. I have got those potatoes. I just microwaved them. Of course, you can bake them if you wanna soften them up. I'm mixing it with my bread, all these spices. We are combining everything and getting it equally incorporated. And y'all are gonna see the delicious, delicious treat that we are making today. I think you're really, really going to love it. Transferring my dough just onto my mat here with some flour on the bottom. We're just gonna get this nice and flat. Coming in with my circled biscuit cutters. Perfect. Now I've got a large straw. I'm gonna go ahead. Just make 2 circles there. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a spoon here. Perfect. I'm gonna separate the rest of my dough. We're gonna use that for something else later. All right, I'm gonna take these over to the stove. Alrighty guys, our pan is ready. Pop these guys in here with a little bit of oil. Just swirl that around. Delicious. And just get underneath these guys. It'd be funny if it was a frown face on the other side. And a little flip. Potatoes are almost ready. I've just got a plate here. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Heinz ketchup, of course. And go ahead, moment of truth. This guy's pretty happy too. 3 little happy potato pancakes, y'all. Oh my goodness, they're crispy, delicious. Pop this into some ketchup. You gotta try it.